Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are diving into a blending classic that is still crushing it, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender. If you are looking for a machine that turns frozen fruit into snow, whips up hot soups in minutes, and handles nut butters like a dream without all the fancy extras, this one is about to become your kitchen hero. Picture silky smoothies for the whole family, creamy purees for dinners, or even emulsified dressings that taste like they came from a fancy restaurant, all from a durable workhorse that lasts for years. No more dealing with weak motors or messy cleanups. This pro-grade blender makes healthy eating fun and fast. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Vitamix Propel 750 is a timeless pick for busy cooks. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us break down the features of this blending legend. First, the design is sleek and timeless, with a compact base about 9 inches wide and 20 inches tall, weighing about 10 pounds for that solid feel without being a chore to move. It comes in black or red, fitting right into modern or classic kitchens without standing out. The power comes from a 2-peak horsepower motor, about 1400 watts, that spins at up to 23,000 RPM on high, tackling tough jobs like ice crushing or grain grinding with ease. The hardened stainless steel blades are 13 inches long, fixed but super durable, creating a vortex that pulls ingredients down for even results every time. The 64-ounce low-profile container is made of BPA-free Triton plastic, shatter-resistant, and holds up to 56 ounces of liquid, perfect for family batches of 4 to 6 servings, with easy measurement lines and a vented lid with a removable plug for adding things mid-blend. Controls are analog and reliable, with a variable speed dial from 1 to 10 for full control, plus a pulse switch for chopping or chunky textures. There are 5 preset programs: smoothies, hot soups that heat via friction in 5 to 6 minutes, frozen desserts, purees, and self-cleaning that runs a 60-second cycle with soap and water. The hardwired timer counts up so you can replicate recipes, and safety features include an automatic shut-off if the lid is not secure or the motor overheats. Cleanup is simple. The container and lid are dishwasher safe, or use the self-clean preset for a quick rinse. It includes a tamper to push down thick mixes safely, a getting started guide with basic recipes, and a 7-year full warranty that covers everything from parts to labor. Price is around $500, a great value for the quality and longevity. Okay, now for the straight talk, pros and cons after weeks of blending everything from green juices to pizza dough. Pros first. Number 1, the motor is a beast, pulverizing ice into fluff and blending tough veggies without stalling. Number 2, the 5 presets are spot on, especially the soup one that turns raw ingredients into piping hot puree effortlessly. Number 3, the 64-ounce pitcher is ideal for larger batches, reducing waste for families. Number 4, analog controls are durable and precise, with the dial giving you that tactile feel for perfect textures. Number 5, self-cleaning saves time, and the tamper makes thick blends a breeze. Number 6, it runs quieter than older models at around 80 decibels, and the low-profile design tucks under cabinets. Overall, it offers pro performance that feels built to last. Now, cons, because balance matters. 1, the $500 price is not budget for very casual users. 2, the container is plastic, which some prefer glass for heat, though it handles soups fine. 3, no digital display beyond the timer, so no recipe guides on screen. 4 blades are fixed, so deep cleaning requires a brush. 5, it is 10 pounds, not the lightest for frequent moving. 6, no self-detect for attachments like newer scents, limiting expandability. But here's the deal, the pros make it a winner for most. If you blend a few times a week for meals, drinks, or basics and want durable, preset-powered reliability that lasts 7 years, this is your fit. Not for gadget lovers wanting apps, but for practical pros seeking consistent results, it is a total yes. So, my recommendation, bring the Vitamix Propel 750 into your home today. It simplifies delicious, healthy cooking with power you can trust. Click that referral link in the description to snag it on Amazon, and you will get the best pricing plus special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your family will love it. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen favorites and click the link to support the channel. What is your go-to blend? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You are the best. If this helped, like the video, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.